showing you some things that I got today. So let me go ahead and get started with it. So I got this puppet of a shark. It's cool. And this one was a 2-pack, so let me get the other one over here. The penguin. So this was the same one of the 2-pack. This came with the shark one, so okay, that's cool. Okay, so then I got this pizza puppet. So if you guys want to find these puppets, hold on a second, guys. Sorry, guys, I had to talk to my mom for a little bit because I needed to know where these were so I can tell you guys. So if you want to find these, go to 5B Road and you'll find it right there. And hold on a second there, guys. Give me a sec. So I got this also pizza plushie, but it's my brother's, but I have it in the video right now. So he's fast asleep. His name is Israel. So I do. Let me turn off the flashlight so you guys can see. See? They're gonna turn on right now. See, guys? So they're turning on. So now this is the pizza puppet that I was telling you guys. And then now I got a fidget spinner one. So let me spin it. So we're taking a long time to spin. It's really taking a long time, guys. Really taking a long time to finish spinning. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with something else, guys. I'm gonna pause the video real quick.